Going out to London and just seeing the culture, the sights, the history, it was the best experience.
Miss P, one of the instructors at Laney, was telling me about the program, about the trip. That's what got me into the program.
The way Laney set the whole trip up, start to finish, like very easy. We had a tour guide who met us from the airport. Like they took us to the hotel. They gave us cards, numbers if we ever got lost. Everything was just so organized.
We created this class for Laney Cosmetology Advanced Special Projects. It's open to anybody in the cosmetology industry to go check out an area of the world known for top-end fashion, different methods of styling.
A lot of the techniques that I saw in London, I definitely brought back at a barbershop. They were trimming with fire, which we don't really see here in the States. It seems to clean the hair a little bit better.
The idea is to get your hands on culture and receive certifications for techniques taught by the masters.
We went to Tony & Guy, and Tony & Guy is really big in London because they actually work a lot of the runways.
The students got trained in haircut and color. They gave us a half-an-hour break. Then they said, welcome back, here are your clients. When the clients left, Tony & Guy came out and presented all the students with training certificates. Not everyone has an opportunity to go work with the people who've inspired them growing up.
It was really, really cool because whoever would have thought you would be working with someone who actually does a runway show. We also went to the London School of Makeup. I had never been in a room that big with like so many different selections of makeup. They would show us looks and then they let us recreate it.
People were leaving with gold leaf editorial makeup styles on their face on the tube back to the hotel.
To come back with a certification from a makeup school and then also a certification from Tony & Guy would be so beneficial for when we graduate from school. We'll have more credentials, like a life push.
I currently own the braid bar. I enrolled in school just because I want to offer my clients just a little bit more on the hair side. To have it on that level, I felt like I wouldn't be able to get that opportunity anywhere else but like with the school. Just the way that everything was set up, it was a really good experience. You get to see a different country, you get to experience different foods, and when you go with the school, it's just more structured. It was my first study abroad experience, and I definitely want to do more. Like I would like to go to other countries just to see the industry again from a different point of view.
It was fun to do all that together and have a memory about it.